you know, was this trend toward slightly better effectiveness if you spaced out your second dose of AstraZeneca. But right now in the outbreak, that is completely offset by the fact that you get a bump up in protection with your second dose of AstraZeneca. So it's better to bring it forward when you're in an outbreak at this time, particularly when we've got plentiful supply. But get your second dose Astra now if you've had your first and it's been at least 4 weeks. On the Pfizer front, you might be interested to know that many countries from the get-go have recommended an 8 or a 12 or even a 16-week interval with Pfizer. Now, why have they done that? They've done it because supply of Pfizer has been pretty limited, and you get a good bang for your buck with Pfizer dose 1. You've got to have dose 2, but Canada have been recommending a 16-week interval. The UK were recommending 12. They've now gone down to 8. So we've been fairly sort of rigid here in Australia with the 3-week interval. Everybody's been very precise in getting that. But there is no problem in getting Pfizer second dose at 6 weeks. And, the messaging you might have heard from New South Wales about spreading out to 6 weeks is just to allow, we've got supply increasing like this, right? And if you space the doses that we've got in the warehouses now, and you just space out that second dose a little bit more, it frees up a lot more first doses to go into people for Pfizer, and that actually gets that protection against severe disease and the protection against transmission on board in a lot more people in the population, which is actually what you need in an outbreak.